Have you ever wanted to create an AI version of yourself that talks and walks on screen? One that looks expressive, sounds natural, and moves like a real person, just like me? Well, stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll be able to create a full body talking avatar that looks so realistic that your viewers would never guess it is AI. But guess what? You don't need expensive software or complicated skills to do it. Just smart, easy to use tools and me guiding you through every step of the way. Hey, I'm Cray, or you can call me That Savvy Cray. I help creators, digital newbies become tech and AI savvy without getting overwhelmed. Whether you're building a faceless YouTube channel or you just want to level up your content creation game, I've got you. Today, we'll be diving into how you can create an expressive full-body AI avatar that not only talks but also walks, gestures, and brings your content to life. Let's go. Before we can bring your avatar to life, we need to create how they look. And for that, we're going to be using a powerful combo that is ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. So what we'll need to do here, we're going to head over to ChatGPT and we're going to put in a basic prompt so that it can help us with a more comprehensive and well-detailed prompt. I have the prompt already and I'll be dropping the prompt in the description box below so that you don't have to go all over again creating your own prompt. You can use mine, tweak it to however you want it to be, add your negative prompt and you're good to go. So I'm just going to click this and it's going to generate. As you can see, it gave me the positive prompt and the negative prompt. I will head over to Leonardo AI. You see I have already 150 tokens, but I've used some out of it and I'm left with 92. So you have to be sure of what you're going ahead with so you don't waste your tokens. I will use the concept art here. It's my favorite, and I'm going to use the stylized illustration, leave the contrast at high, and also use the 16:9 image dimension. You can use the others if you want to, and then I'm going to leave it at medium. Then the output is going to be 4. Then I'll head over to the advanced, leave it at Leonardo Division Excel, and then activate the negative prompt. Then I'm just going to go back, copy the negative prompt and head back, then paste it and generate. It takes a little bit of time, say something around 5 to 10 seconds or 15 seconds thereabouts, and then it gave us this. I wasn't really cool with this, and then I had to redo another one and it gave me this, which I liked. I picked it, downloaded it, then went over, tried to modify it a bit. Was still giving me something like that. Was still giving me something of the same sort. Give me this, which I didn't really like. So I just went back and picked the initial image, which was this. I went back to the home page of Leonardo AI, went to the upscaler, then put in my image. It takes 30 tokens to generate this image, and I left the strength there, and also I went ahead to upscale it. You're going to see the difference it's going to make. This is how it looks when it's generated. You can see the difference. This looks better because it's clean and crisp. I'm just going to download that. Now, this is where the fun begins. After you've gotten your avatar image, it is ready for a video generation. Now, we're going to use the Kling AI for our video generation. This was something I did, so I'm just going to redo it so that you can follow through. I'm going to upload the image I got from Leonardo AI, the upscaled image. After uploading it, I'm going to put in my positive prompts, which I already had. I'm going to put this also in the description box. I'm also going to add in my negative prompts, the things I don't want to see in the image generation. I'll leave that at I'll leave my creativity at 0.5, 10 seconds. That is what I'm going to use, and then I'm going to leave it at standard because I'm using the premium package, but it doesn't allow me to use the professional part. So I'm just going to go back and change it to standard, although there are not much difference there. So I'm just going to go back. You can see it's telling me to upgrade to premium. I'll just head back and change it to standard, and that would help me generate my video. So this is me going back, putting it as standard, 10 seconds video, one output, because if I add 2 or 3 it's going to give me more tokens, it's going to cost me more tokens. So I'm just going to go ahead, make sure that everything is in place. As you can see, I still have some few tokens, around 600. I don't want to waste it because I have more video that I need to do. Then I'm going to click on generate. As you can see, it takes less time because I'm using the premium package, and as you can see, it is done. And this is how it looks like. I haven't added the voice yet, but you can see how smooth it is. Now let's add the voiceover to the video. Here you have 2 options. The first option here is to record your own voice with your phone and then use an AI audio converter to convert it to an acceptable format like an MP3 or a WAV format. Then the second option is to use 11 Labs to generate a realistic AI voice and even personalize it to sound just like you with few voice samples you give it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to pick one of these videos that was generated. I'm going to use this one because it's already in 10 seconds. So what I'll just go ahead to do is click on this lip sync here. As you can see, it's already uploaded here, and you could pick this feature. You could use any of the AI voices here. They are quite good, but I like to use my own voice, so it adds a bit of personalization to my video. So this is my audio that I recorded with my voice. I've already converted it to an MP3, and what I'm just going to do here is I've already trimmed it to 10 seconds. As you can see here, you have to put it 10 seconds so it matches with the time frame of this video, which is 10 seconds. And as you can see, it just needs 10 credits for it to lip sync. So I'm just going to click on generate, and it's going to generate a lip synced video for us. Now the lip sync is done. Let's check it out and see how good it was able to get. And if you want more digital savvy tools like this, stick around because I share them every week. See you in the next one. Bye and stay savvy. Can see how crisp that sounds. That is how the lip sync feature in Clean AI is going to make your video sound like. This is very good because it's going to make it sound very natural and flows very well like a real human being. So, if you've been stuck wondering how to create unique professional looking videos without ever stepping in front of the camera, now you know it's 100% possible. No hiding, no more holding back. Your content deserves to be seen, and now with an AI avatar that walks and talks, literally it can be anything you want it to be. If you've learned something from this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop any questions you have in the comment section, and of course subscribe for more AI and tech savvy content like this. And if you want more digital savvy tools like this, stick around because I share them every week. See you in the next one. Bye and stay savvy.